Well, I guess you've noticed I have moved a table over here by my truck. You know why? Because I need something to work off of, just like anybody else. Well, look here, it's Monday, and I just posted a happy Monday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine the two, and I'm going to do a prequel each Monday to my main show that's going to be coming on Thursday, alright? Yep. Well, I don't know if you like it or not, but you're going to see it. Alright then. Alright, look here. I have been up to O'Reilly's. You know how you know? Because it says O'Reilly right there. I'm going to show you, my next episode is, I got me some tars. Can you see them over there? Yeah, they look good, don't they? They're killing it. I love it. So, and then, let's see, the last one I think was, the mountain of battery. So I ended up having to go to O'Reilly's to get a new cable. And I'll tell you about that in that show. This ain't cheap. I got 2 alt, 4 foot long. You don't want to know how much they charge you a foot. So this costs as much almost everything on the frickin' table here. But anyway, hey, that's a good thing, ain't it? Well, anyway, you got that episode coming up. I got all kind of stuff. Look here, what I got me, some mystery oil. I don't know what's in it. I don't have a clue. But you know what? I've had some of you guys tell me this here's a cat's meow, and I love me some cats. So there's that. I got me a new pumper. Look at there. Single barrel carburetor. Now I love this thing, and we're gonna put it on. And I got me some filters, and I got me some new stuff to, you know what, I got me some new ghetto blaster. Look here, I know what we talking about, it's a fan belt, so guess what I got coming? Yeah, that's another story in itself. That's about, oh man, you don't even want to know. Half of the pulley had rusted off. So I ended up having to get a Nerdin. That pulley was, that alternator, if you look, the one I got up, I paid $35 for it in 1981, 80, something like that. Well, it's $400 now. Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's right. That was at O'Reilly's. But I worked out something cheaper. What I'm gonna do is they come up with a alternator, what do you call it? So that you can use one of them smaller alternators instead of that big old long one. Adapter kit. So anyway, so that's gonna be a show. The next show I believe is me putting the tires on. And then we're gonna have another show. Let's see, what's that next show about? I don't know, you're just gonna have to come back and look, alright then? Alright, so happy Monday. Catch me on Thursday. Alright then? Bye. Don't you just love it? I do.